Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how can you save your Instagram stories as draft. Okay, so for this we will select any story normally as we select. So I will click on plus icon, go to story section, and I will select any one photo here. So if I wanted to add a text, I will add a text or anything you wanted to add it. Okay, I will click on done. Now I will click on the cross icon. Here you can see top left, and here you can see the option as save draft. Okay, so I will click on this one. So this is saved to my draft. So next time whenever I will click on this gallery, and here you will see the another folder as draft here. So here you can see all those draft story that you have saved. So it will here you can see draft story draft will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. Here you can see this draft will be deleted after 5 days, and the one I have added, it will be deleted after 7 days. So you can keep in draft for 7 days. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.